Monopoly Travel World Tour: How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to stamp 4 destination goals. Lay out the board and wipe off any dry erase marker from previous play. Each player starts the game off with 10 10s, 5 20s, and 2 50s, 100s, and 500s. Place the golden ticket on free parking. Properties are replaced by destinations. On each destination is a travel goal. When you end a move on a travel goal, you get to stamp that space on the board. If ever you own the destination for a travel goal, then, at the start of your turn, you may travel to that space for free, stamp it, then roll and continue your turn as normal. Only one player can stamp each location on the board. If the destination is already stamped, it may not be stamped again. The Community Chest deck has been replaced by travel journal cards. When you draw one, stamp it. These stamps are permanent and will affect future games. You may not stamp a card beyond the number of circles available. The first player to land on free parking gets to collect the golden ticket. If you have the golden ticket, then, at any time during your turn, you can trade in the golden ticket to the bank to move anywhere on the board. The golden ticket may only be used once per game. While in jail, you can still follow the rules on travel journal cards. There are 2 types of flight spaces. If you land on the local flight, then you may pay $100 to travel to any destination before the next flight space. If you land on long distance flight, then you can pay $200 to move to any destination on the board. If ever you don't have enough money to pay, you are not eliminated. Pay what you have, then continue playing. The first player to stamp 4 destinations wins.